Joto no joto rangsak ni mare kising song sari kaham tai joto sini khapang ni rangsak ni tiprasa takuk bukuk song no khane hamjak ma tai chobani chibai tini Belai ke kha dukhu nangma bai haino hai Facebook live no rok ni thanima phaikya koyekta kok thai rok no response runani bagai tai je statement rezaka aborok no kisa response runa bagai no haino hai nongni buskangwa ang paisa live ma phaikya haisi tini just thasingo kaisang video nugui Belai ke wanaka tai kha kham ka haise Honorable Chief Minister ni kaisa statement nukha a jagao bo sanani chaito kha je tangai norok অর্থাৎ যে তিপ্রাসার রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই আছে খাসিক লাইতং রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই চিরি খকলাইতং রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই দিমান খাইতং দেবনাগরি স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই নরক টাঙাই মুসুং জায়গা বা বাংলা স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই টাঙাই নরক আছে মুসুং জায়গা বিনি হা স্টেটমেন্ট নি যে মিনিং তাই বব সানা নাইখা রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট ন যে অবংখা ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ফরেন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ অবহাই স্ক্রিপ্ট ন খ্লায়াকারে দেবনাগরি স্ক্রিপ্ট খাইনানি বাগৈ বসাকা যেহেতু হিন্দি কক সাইতং जों দেবনাগরি স্ক্রিপ্ট ন जों খ্লাইথাই তিনি হাইনো হাই আং অনারেবল চিফ মিনিস্টার্স ন তিনি সানানি মুসুং হাইসি There are altogether almost more than 30 tribes 3-star tribe ni saipano BC Northeastern region India wo Roman script by Cox Hawaii Tongo. Boni basano Roman script by Sei Tongo. Aboni ka kuno problem kri. Nang sanan thangang ka Meghalaya wo. Khasi Hills o, Jaintia Hills o, Roman script by Sijaki Tongo boni language no tui. Mizoram o sini Mizoro, Lusai ro. Borobo Roman script use khayo. Bongni language no sinani bagay. Nagaland no NDPP by BJP government chalogui tong haise alliance so. Aro Roman script ni kunu proti mane Roman script no badar mane kunu nukjagya. Aro angami sanai bosongrok nini sumi sanai bosongrok nini lotha sanai bosongrok nini tangkhul sanai bosongrok borok boto Roman script by seitongo. Manipur ni kok sajawka nini kuki rok nini paite rok nini thadaw rok borok boto Roman script by kok saitongo nini Assam ni kok sana thangkai nini Karbi rok Dimasa rok Bodu rok borok boto Roman script by saitongo Assam ni kok saitongo Arunachal Pradesh o thangka angka haino hai arabo adi borok Roman script by saiyo nini Galu borok Roman script by saiyo Apatani borok Roman script by saiyo Why only in Tripura haisi Asamoto BJP government no chalo goi tong tong alliance so NDA ni alliance government Arunachal Pradesh o neda ro borok boto alliance ni chalo goi tong tong aro to Roman script ni kuno badda kri nini Nagaland no NDPP by BJP government chalo goi tong aro Roman script ni kuno badda kri Manipur agi BJP alliance government chalo goi tong aro Roman script ni kuno badda kri Meghalaya State o NPP National People Party by BJP Alliance government salok tongo khasitai JNTS rokbor Roman script ni kuno problem kri Then why only in Tripura Tini sing barbar sai tongo 1971 o je tini Bangladesh katal desh khlaijak mani pishone tamo Urdu language no forcefully imposed khlaijak kha Bangla sanai borok rokni saka wo Last digi basa andolon borok khlaikya mukti judo andolon khlaikya fole Pakistan je tongmani dui tukrang bak ngai tini Bangladesh kaisangkha Pakistan kaisangkha boron chini starting kha basani theke tini ei basani bagge duita bak tini desh amaro porjonto nuguito problem tamo Singki kebani rights no seknani thangi tong India kaisa diverse country diversity hinjago India wo nini oro binno binno bororok প্রায় 200 প্লাস জাতি রক ও জায়গাও তঙই তং হাইছে জানি জানি সিনেমুং বাক্সা বা তামিল বাক্সা পাঞ্জাব বাক্সা গুজরাটি বাক্সা বিহারি হ্যাঁ বাক্সা অরুণাচলি বাক্সা মারাঠি হ্যাঁ বাক্সা তেলেগু আবার হাইকে বাংমা বড় রক জানি জানি সিনেমুং বাই সিনেজাগি তং ও ডাইভার্স কাউন্ট্রি ও তাङै आसो forcefully impose खायनो नायखा कायसे जातिनि साकाव सिनि सेंटिमेन्ट ताङो बुजिनो नाया अंखा हा कि बांग्ला स्क्रिप्ट बाय सिनि भाषा नो सिनि लैंग्वेज नो pronunciation जे उच्चारण तमानि accurate के खायदमान मानिया then why you are imposing forcefully to the Devanagari script why you want to impose forcefully to Bangla script Bangla script by kiseng keteng tui musa abrong kiseng sejaman seimania maneno seng compromise ma khaisinai compromise khaike maneno sini basano seng tai next 10 20 years of kaino je bini asol ucharon kamaoi pogoi thangsene basani kuno ekta existence tongla khaisi sini ki honorable mukhyamantri obata nai tini boss hanani chaitokha bo institution ni obo demand sanjagi tongne tar mane directly Christians no indirectly Christian no target khaigena ble ki Nagaland okok saide mano ki Meghalaya okok saide mano ki Manipur okok saide mano Arunachal Pradesh ki okok saide mano Assam ki okok da sai mano why only in Tripura and taiba achorjo nau haise taiba achorjo nau যে বড় নিজনি দফ হানো কাঙ্কা ব্রয়লার টক কাইকে জি খাগৈ শিবনানি হিনি সাও বলের বয়লের খুকতে কে খুবই শিবনানি হিনি সাও এই বড় রক তিনি চুপ অনারেবল সিএম কক সামানি পরে তিনি চুপ একটা কক সারা গিয়ে হাইছে ওয়াই রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট কি শুধু তিপ্রা মথানি যে সাপোর্টার্স রক সীমিত সেই নাই ওয়াই দে আর সাইলেন্ট টুডে তিনি honorable former MP बार-बार सावो महाराष्ट्रनि ऊपर अटैक खायो महाराष्ट्रनि फैमिलीनि ऊपर अटैक खायो तिनी निजिनि आमानि कक कक बरकनि अगेंस्ट सावoi दङो honorable chief minister हा बासानो totally impose खायनो नाय दङो forcefully why they are silent ताङै बरक silent हाइसे तिनी honorable general secretary of the state often I used to hear sabka sat sabka vikas the prime minister also often says sabka sat sabka vikas is this the mantra of sabka sat sabka vikas we are not having our options we can't adopt the script that we wish to is this the mantra of sabka sat sabka vikas when other state citizens are having the rights to choose whatever script they wish to. Why only for Tiprasa it is not? Why only for Tiprasa they are trying to impose forcefully? Tini sungmung paike haisi. Greater Tiprale ni kok sakange sunu kebengo. Statehood ni kok sakange sunu kebengo. Additional strength and kainen hinge sunu kebengo. Roman script ni kok sakange sunu kebengo. 125th Amendment Bill ni kok sakit sunu kebengo land rights ni kok sakangge sunu kebengo political rights ni kok sakangge sunu kebengo what then tamono ronan musungba ha every jaga se kebeng tongle land rights tini edition yago kre hani busani thani land rights kre tini Nini jaga 100 বছর tongmani 200 বছর tongmani nini dadu nini great grandfather sok tong phaimani jaga no tini sabo decide khai DM decide khaisinai abki nini da nini ya সরকার decide khaisinai but I hani busa I hani o hani je tongoi tangnai om thai klaine borok khai to decide khaisi malia siniago power sire jagya othoso BJP Congress CPM ni chiri khoklai tong tong sung land rights ni kai ekta kok phana saiman ya haisi sudo tiprasa broiler to khaike khugna po okok to saiman ya tini land rights ni suno ruza ke haise roman script ni tini open stage o tini kok saitong Roman script nondor tangi khasi kai tong ne. Are je kuno ang thasingo saka tini Meghalaya o tini khasi hill jainte hill Roman script saitong o. NPP by BJP government share o chalagui tong tong haise govern khai tong o. They can write Roman script. Boni language no. Mizoramot nini mizu nini lusairo. Roman script by say tongmano haise boni basano. Tini Nagaland no tam tong angami borok boni basano sinyani bagi Roman script use kayo sumi. Boni basano sinyani bagi Roman script use kayo lotha. Bong basano sinyani bagi Roman script use kayo tangkul. Borok Roman script use kayo bong basano sinyani bagi Manipuro bong nang nainay diba. Kuki tongo, paiti tongo, tadaw tongo. Borok Roman script use kayo tongo boni basano sinyani bagi. Nini asamo na di karbi. Nini dimasa, nini bodu. Roman script use kayo tongo bong basano sinyani. Arunachal Pradesh tam neda government chalagui tong BJP government asamo chalagui tong ha arobo to adi borok Roman script sitong galu borok Roman script sitong apatani borok Roman script sitong waisi tini if Arunachal Pradesh is governed by the BJP yet many tribal languages there are written in Roman script without any problem. In Assam is governed by the BJP yet many tribal languages there are written in Roman script without any problem. Even in the case of Meghalaya, is also governed by the NPP and BJP government, yet many tribal languages there are written in the Roman script without any problem. Even in Nagaland, NDPP and BJP are governing the state government. Yet many tribal languages there also written in Roman script without any problem. I want to ask the questions to the Honorable Chief Ministers. Why only in Tripura there is problem? Tai ang sengnani musung haise sini jonojati klai kotor bason ri tongnai rokno. Tini overhigh statement rizangmani pore poda norok Tripura sani side do kok saya karei. Tripura sani next generations no banchiria karei. Still you will choose just for your positions. Nung sacrifice kainai. Nung compromise kainai. Tamo no job bernai norok nong ni nukung no. Tamo job bernai nong ni besabuti rok na haisi. Tamo job bernai norok nong ni next generations no. When we require the most, today you are silent. Just because you love your position, you fear that your positions will be lost. That's why you kept silent today. But my dear ministers, my dear General Secretary, my dear former MP, and some other great leaders from BJP who call themselves tribal leaders, if you keep silence today, the next generations of our people, kumanai haisi, the next generations of our people, tini sung sini right step sekjang haisi. একটা রাজনী বাকি নর কক সানানি নং শক্তি করে একটা রাজনী বাকি কক সানানি বাকি নর হিম্মত করে হাইছে ল্যান্ড রাইটস নীতি কক সানানি বাকি নর হিম্মত করে পারো থাই নর টাম ন স্পিচ রে অমুক রনাই রাং রনাই দিস রনাই দ্যাট রনাই বাট ল্যান্ড রাইটস করে কে নেক্সট জেনারেশনস কি নর থাঙি দে মানো তিনি 10,492 স্কয়ার কিলোমিটার স্টেট 40 लाख निसाय बेसी पपुलेशन सिंगि तंखा दे बाय दे सिनि जत लैंड राइट्स टक सेकजागि तंगि तंखाइसि रिजर्व जे महाराजा खाइक्लांगमानि महाराजा वीर विक्रम किशोर माणिक्य सिनि हिज हाइनेस महाराज खाइक्लांगमानि तिनि दि रिजर्व खाइजागि तंखाइसि फॉरेस्ट लैंड्स नामजागि सिनि राइट्स सेकजागि तंखाइसि yet you keep silent always just because you fear that you will lose your position tangai sini job to right tini kare haisi tangai why you kept silent 1953 to 1957 I keep on repeating this word haisi a time bo almost 5 lakhs refugee no Govind Balapan the former home ministers of India borok no tlang nani bagi kok samani that time also siniti prasarok no influence khayai basa wai tini Bidesi rok no hama baknai ni sane tini naragi shibka. Abo ki mistake yare history. Tini muitumano haisi Jallianwala Bagh 1919 no. Indian rock Ingres rock ni yakung slagai. Sini Indian rock no kogui bathar ka haisi. Sabo first shoot khai Indian rock. Sabo no khai Indian no kogo haisi. 30 January 1948. Sini father of the nations, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi no sabo shoot khai Indian. Sabo Nathuram Vinaya Godse shoot khai tini bathar kaisi. Tini tiprasani rights no sabo ka suitong. Bunyi borok to ka suno. Tai borok no taibu phanri tongo. Sini aze neta hanjak nai ro. Borok no taibu phanri tongo. Sini leaders hanjak nai ro. Because seat borok nango. Borok positions nango. Bongni boss no impress khlainya bagai tiprasarok ni generation no tani bathar shibdi haisi. Abo sible intention tini. Hazar borok ni sentiment, lakh borok ni. 99% of our people are demanding for Roman script. Yet, someone from some communities, just because he sits in the top positions, trying to impose other script that we don't wish to adopt. Why is it so? Tangai. Tini TSF rock obonuti andolon khaitongo. Boroki boni TSF ni students rock ni bagi simida. They fight for every people, every citizens of our Tiprasa haisi. Tipramothani wings nini TISF, YTF, Tipramotha and TWF. They are fighting for the Roman script. Is this for ourselves? No. This is for the generations of our people. But the one who always give big speeches in the big stages, so-called Janajati leaders, they keep always silent, I say. Tangai? Norok, sini tiprasano greater tipra land sanmani prosno khaimano. Sini tiprasano land right sanmani prosno khaimano. Norok sini tiprasano nor political right sanmani prosno khaimano. Tripartite accord sanmani sign khaimani prosno khaimano. Kintu Roman script ni bagai sini honorable CEM kok samani respected CEM kok samani nor prosno khaire gya. Land rights no kasi tomani nor prosno khaire gya. Political rights no kasi tomani nor prosno khaire gya. 125th amendment bill tabubo implementing ke abono nor prosno khaire gya. Tripartite accord tabubo implementing nor prosno khaire gya. Norok ni himmat norok ni fan suruti prasano prosno khaine ni da. Ha? Sakangkai chazegya? Rang ni dapot funugui para wa habai rang renai wag renai tok renai abu bai the nation muthangzang nai. Dofam muthangzang nai abu bai. Ha? Tini thousands and thousands students Roman script by mass ni failing nani bai dongui tongo. Who are the responsible for their future? Bong future ni sab responsibility na nai. Tini okok sakangkai James Deborma ugrobad kok sao James Deborma tini uttejona khai speech ru huni sajaunai haise. But abu kubuyada is not that true. Wake up, my dear Tiprasa, wake up. We are not here to take away the rights of other community, but we are here to demand our rights. We are here to demand our futures. And these rights no one should take away from us. And if it is so, then I say here, if it is so, then in the days to come, we will come up with the most sung intensify kai sung obonoti uttejona kai andolon khaina ni nangnai haisi. Obu kuno political party ni demand ya. The Roman script is a sentiment of our people. Roman script is a sentiment of every single Tiprasa, I say. Land rights is a sentiment of every single Tiprasa, I say. It is not the demand of Tripura Motha political party. Tini ma sao haisi. Tini silent. Silent. How many of your leaders spoke against the statement of our honorable CM? Sini Riang Bro Rokno, Bangladesh ni Saha. Ekta BJP ni leaders kok saragya. Why? Ekta BJP ni leaders kok saragya. Why? IPF tino porjonto ugrobadi party ni kable. Huh? Ekta BJP leaders kok saragya. But the moment Maharaj land rights ni bai kok saka, no, it is not possible. Bor phaine. The moment Maharaj talks about Roman script, no, borok phaine. The moment Maharaj talks about Greater Tripura land, no, borok phaine. Why? Noroki Tiprasani leaders, Tiprasani rights no kasuna bagi dangi tong. Huh? Noroki Tiprasani leaders, Tiprasani next generation no sokorman bagi de norok salary nai tong. Am bagi de norok poda suk tong haisi. Tini sungnani bata. Dukhu nang haisi, Belai ke dukhu nang. 99% ni sentiment. Tini basa wish hawo. Tangi nor Roman script san ne. I don't think it is fair. My dear Honorable Chief Minister, I don't think so. Your statement is fair enough to our people. You didn't understand the feelings, you didn't understand the sentiment, you didn't understand the emotions that we are connected with Roman script. The pronunciations of our language is accurate with the Roman script. Don't try to impose forcefully on us against our will. And we have seen when the Urdu language was imposed forcefully in East Pakistan against those people whose mother tongue was Bengali. At last what happened? It ultimately led to the creations of new country, Bangladesh. The history once again clearly teaches us the lessons. Do not impose any language. Do not impose any script on people against their will. Otherwise, like Bangladesh, again here in Tripura also the Greater Tripura land will be created very soon. I'm saying this word again and again. Yes, will be bound. If in Mizoram, Mizo people can write Roman script, if in Meghalaya, Khasis and Giantess people can write Roman script, if in Nagaland, Angami, Sumi, Lotha, Tangkhul can write Roman script, if in Manipur, Kuki, Paite, Thadao can write Roman script, if in Assam, Karbi, Dimasa, Bodo can write Roman script, if in Arunachal Pradesh, Adi, Galo, Apatani can write Roman script, why only Tiprasa can't write Roman script? Why only Tiprasas are being taken their rights? I think the high time came for every Tiprasa to understand who are opposing our rights. Tini clearly sananang yahaisi. Tripartite accord leri tongmani singno sini Maharashtra sini Tripura mota ni leaders okno dusru blame ru norok tini nukhana sabka suitong. Land rights nuti sing tripartite accord sign claimani tini lermani bagi singno dusiru norok nukhana sabka suitong. Political rights no norok nukhana sabka suitong. Edisini funding direct funding nano sabka suitong norok nukhana. Tini budanor no tebu clearly kaise ka sananang no. And saimant tinyo azagaw asugui kabagay tongo. Saimant tinyo asugui kabagay tongo. Post position ni bagay haisi. Next generation rongnor no prosno kanyay. 1953 by 1957 no Jefru Ungfru Bangladeshi rokno Bidesi rokno Hamabak na hinarak mani. Tinini 2025 sing hai youth rock questions kaitong boroni mistake no. Tini say BJPO asuk tongnai khoroksa janojati neta rokno busung prosno khaine next generations rock. When His Highness Maharaj along with the team of TSF and TISF fought for the rights of Roman script. Why you people were silent at that time? The next generations will come and ask these very questions to you guys, I say. That time I know that you will have no words to speak. You will be speechless that time, I say. Tine all prashna sugjana, I say. Ang tay basic kok sanan mo sungliya. Norok joto no saimano. Ang koinay. Norok tabuk joto no dud ka dud, pani ka pani inka. Norok clear kanuk ka. Sab sini land rights no ka suitong. Sab sini Roman script no ka suitong. Sab sini political rights no ka suitong. Sab sini tripartite accord no ka suitong. Sab sini greater Tipralian demand no ka suitong. Sab sini joto rights no ka suitong. You all have sins now. And I don't have any other words to make you guys clear. You have already understood who are all that stopping to get our rights, I say. And borok no sabo logiri tong apo norok saiman ka, I say. Tiprasano ka broiler to kai cook nai. And tiprasani dabino ka suthani ka norok borok no logiri nai. Prosno sungjang nai, I say. Next generation so by. Belai ke hambai. Joy tiprasa. Joy sini Roman script. Jai greater Tipraland, Jai land rights, Jai political rights, I say. Belai no hambai.